Yes. Now, friends, normally in this lesson, or in the previous lesson, we roughly modeled our books. Look, I'm selecting all of these from right to left. I've selected all of them and pressed the delete key. Here, we have some important parts that I want to talk about. And while doing this, I want to show you the group and conference section before we move on to that lesson. Normally, to import an image, you need to go to the Import section. Look, there are different parts here, and you need to select the file you want to import from here. If you want to import a JPEG or a different type of file, you need to make your selection from here. You can import files like DVG, 3Ds, which is a 3ds Max file, DVG files, DAIA files, Google Earth files, and JPEG files. If I want to import a JPEG file here, I need to select the JPEG section and then choose the JPEG from the workspace above the master. Look, I need to select the JPEG, which is my library model. I selected it. I said import. It says to me, specify any point. I clicked on the original point. I'm holding it down and enlarging it, friends. Look, I need to enlarge this in a specific place to create my model. I enlarged it and let go. As you can see, it's like this. My little book, my library has come here. Friends, here it is. I can import the image like this. So I want to show you some important terms here at the beginning. The important part here is how I can import the JPEG file, friends. This section is related to that because when you import the JPEG file, when you do this, you can adjust the size of the JPEG file here. Look, I took the JPEG file here, guys. This is my famous vehicle over there. Let's say it scales. This picture, look how, let's say, the space between these two shelves, friends, is 1 meter. This 3690 is 1 meter and 90 centimeters. Now, if I draw a line from this point to that point, when I press 90 and enter on the keyboard, it asks me if I want to resize this image to 90 centimeters. Friends, I say yes. Yes, look, friends. I'm measuring. Look at the bottom right. It became 90 centimeters. So it became 90 centimeters. Now it's at the actual scale, friends. So my bookshelf would normally be these dimensions, as you can see. I have now imported my bookshelf as a JPEG here and adjusted it to 90 centimeters to match the actual dimensions. From now on, I can make this scale drawing exactly, friends. What happened? Now, I first set the scale. Later, I will model this in a professional way, understanding the logic of groups and components. Friends,